Ultra B-100 complex is a combination of B vitamins that is used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency due to poor diet, certain illnesses, alcoholism, or during pregnancy. B vitamins are important for the body and help keep you in good health. This complex includes thiamine, riboflavin, niacin/niacinamide, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, folic acid, and pantothenic acid. Some brands of B vitamins also contain additional ingredients such as vitamin C, vitamin E, biotin, or zinc. It is important to consult your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions about the ingredients in your brand. The daily dosage of Ultra B-100 complex can vary depending on individual needs, but it is best to take it with a meal to maximize absorption. This complex can provide a variety of benefits, including boosting energy levels, supporting healthy metabolism, and promoting overall well-being. Be sure to follow the recommended dosage and consult with a healthcare professional for the optimal timing to take this supplement. When taking Ultra B-100 complex, it is recommended to take it by mouth, usually once daily or as directed. Make sure to follow all the directions on the product package, and if you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. If your brand contains vitamin C, it's best to take it with a full glass of water unless directed otherwise. Chewable tablets should be thoroughly chewed before swallowing, while extended-release capsules should be swallowed whole without crushing or chewing to avoid the risk of side effects. For liquid products, it's important to use a medication measuring device to carefully measure the dose and not use a household spoon. Some liquid products may need to be shaken before each dose, and some that contain vitamin B12 may need to be placed under the tongue and held there before swallowing. It's important to follow the label directions carefully to get the most benefit from the medication. Taking Ultra B-100 complex regularly at the same time each day will help you get the most benefit from it. If you experience mild upset stomach or flushing after taking Ultra B-100 complex, these effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the product. However, if these effects persist or worsen, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that your doctor has determined that the benefits of taking this medication outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. While a severe allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's crucial to seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. This is not a complete list of potential side effects, so if you notice any other effects not mentioned here, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist for further guidance. If you're in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Ultra B-100 complex, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. If you have diabetes, liver problems, or a vitamin B12 deficiency, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using this product. Chewable tablets or liquid forms of Ultra B-100 complex may contain aspartame, so if you have phenylketonuria, PKU, or need to restrict your intake of aspartame, consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. If you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, or liver disease, be cautious when using the liquid form of this product, as it may contain sugar and/or alcohol. It's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. Before undergoing surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, it's safe to take Ultra B-100 complex as directed, as it can help prevent certain spinal cord birth defects by maintaining adequate amounts of folic acid during pregnancy. Be sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more details. This product does pass into breast milk, so it's important to consult with your doctor before using Ultra B-100 complex if you are breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of any potential interactions this medication may have with other drugs you are taking. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Some products that may interact with Ultra B-100 complex include altretamine, cisplatin, certain antibiotics, certain anti-seizure drugs, levodopa, and other vitamin/nutritional supplements. Additionally, this product may interfere with certain lab tests, so it's important to inform lab personnel and your doctors if you are using Ultra B-100 complex. As for the daily dosage, it is recommended to take 1 tablet daily with a meal. It's best to take it at the same time each day to help you remember. This supplement provides a variety of B vitamins that can help support energy metabolism and nervous system health. Remember to consult with your doctor before starting or changing any medications. If you or someone else has taken too much Ultra B-100 complex and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. You can call 911 or your local poison control center for assistance. Symptoms of an overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. It's important to keep all medical and lab appointments. Remember that this product is not a replacement for a healthy diet. It's best to get your vitamins from natural sources such as leafy greens, vegetables, meat, fish, poultry, and enriched breads/cereals. Ultra B-100 complex is a supplement that can help fill in the gaps in your diet, providing essential B vitamins to support overall health. The recommended daily dosage is 1 tablet, taken with a meal. It's best to take this supplement in the morning with breakfast to help boost your energy levels throughout the day. If you forget to take a dose of Ultra B-100 complex, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to take this product consistently to get the full benefits. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush this product down the toilet or drain unless instructed to do so. Dispose of it properly when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.